Alright, you wanted to do three-wheelers? Let's do some three-wheelers. We got a lead on a free ATC 110 with a locked up motor, and we're heading on down the road to see if we can't get this dog running. Hey, this thing's in pretty decent shape. What do you think? Did we get it for a good price? Now that's the one bad thing about living out in the middle of nowhere. You gotta drive a whole lot of miles to find any good stuff. Ah well, the corn's sure looking good. And hey, that gentleman we got the bike from was kind enough to follow us all the way back home and help us unload. What a baller. Let's take the pull start off, get a breaker bar on the crank, and see if we can't knock this guy loose. If anyone out there has any experience unlocking old engines, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. Well, no luck with the breaker bar. I think this old girl is going to take a little persuasion and some oilage. To help things along, Dad had the idea of drilling out a spark plug and welding it to an air fitting so we can pressurize the cylinder and really drive that diesel down into those rings. Let's see how it works. Exhaust valve must be open. Well, pressurizing the cylinder with all that diesel in there seemed to work. I was inside the garage, and after a couple hours, I heard some rushing air outside. The piston must have broken loose and dropped to the bottom of the cylinder. Wicked. Oh, we're in gear. Still in gear. Man, these little Honda engines are amazing. Now the engine is free and it even feels like it has some compression. Let's move on and see if we can get some spark.
Amazing.
Yeah, we got spark. Let's get some gas in this thing. Let's pour some gas down there or something. Well, we've got spark, we've got compression, but she's still not firing. Let's take the carb apart and see why we're not getting any gas. Oh yeah, there's your problem right there. Has anybody out there seen a carb this full of junk before? Let me know in the comments how long you think this guy's been sitting. Now I'm just wondering, how do y'all clean up your carburetors? I recently got one of these ultrasonic cleaners and it works like a champ. Now let me know in the comments below how you do it, and I'd love to learn some tricks from you. Or just leave me a comment if you want me to make a video in the future on how the ultrasound works. Oh man, she wants to run bad. We're getting close. Funny enough, after she ran for a few minutes, some of the rings or seals or internal D-hoppers must have righted themselves because it stopped smoking so much. Time to go for a spin. Now I'm going to stick to two wheels though, because I'm more comfortable that way. Hey, if you like what you're seeing here, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to click the notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. Or follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or my website, BigfootBikesandBrews.com for some exclusive sneak peeks of what I'm working on for future videos. I'm busy restoring a bunch of vintage bikes as well as working on some sweet custom builds that I want to share with you. I'm going to try to get a new video out the door early in the morning every week, so be sure to click that notification bell and have your phone ready in the morning, so you'll have something to do while you poop. Alright, now that we got it running and Dad's going to go spray for mosquitoes, what do y'all think I should do with this thing? Do you want to see me chop up another 3-wheeler and make a 2-wheeler conversion like I did in my earlier videos? Or do you want to see me totally cherry it out and rebuild the engine and do a total nut and bolt restoration on the guy? Let me know in the comments below what you want to see. I'd love to read them and it'll help me decide what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Thanks a million and see you next week. Alright, I hope you liked this episode of Bigfoot Bikes and Brews. Click on one of the videos here if you want to see some more, and please click on the Bigfoot button to subscribe to the channel and join in on the fun. See you next week.